Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little crock pot cooking here today. Nothing too big, but a small meal. I got this meat, I got from the meat market. I get this stuff for free. I cleaned it all, cut it up into little pieces. It's pork and beef, and it's all, scraps, but it's all good. It's all good stuff, and all the stuff, the bones and stuff, I'll cook up for the chickens and give them that. But this is just stuff I had in the refrigerator. I got some potatoes, so it's going to be like a beef stew. I'm going to do it in a crock pot, cook it overnight. Some potatoes, onions, carrots, celery. I got some cauliflower and green peppers I would be using for salad. I'm going to throw that in there. I got a couple of cans of beans left over. White kidney beans and white hominy, we'll throw that in there. And whatever I got left for the garlic and the hot peppers to kick it up a little bit. Well, I'm just doing these videos, crock pot moment, just to show you it's not hard to cook. I just do these little videos for the working guys to show them it's not hard to cook. I mean, you could throw something together in a crock pot and let it go overnight, and tomorrow will be done. So I do these videos for, to try to help out the working guys that don't know how to cook. But anyway, we'll cut this stuff all cut up in containers, and I'll give you a shot. Should all fit in a crock pot. Alright guys, I got the stuff all cut up. So I got the red potatoes cut up. Now all the scraps and stuff will get ground up. I use this grinder every day for the chickens. It's a 20 cup grinder, and I use this every day. So all the scraps get cut up for the chickens in the morning, tomorrow morning. So I got some red potatoes. I got some red carrots, garlic, and hot peppers. That's going to kick it up. I got some Vidalia onions. I got cauliflower, green pepper, and celery in there. And then I got what I had in the cabinet. I had some white kidney beans and some white hominy. That's what I had in the cabinet. Then I got the beef here. I had some roast beef that I cut up, and some pieces of pork and some beef. It's all stuff from the meat market. I cut it all up. It's all good stuff. It's all fresh. I got it yesterday. A lot of that stuff I get, I usually just cook it up for the chickens, but if it's good, I can cut the pieces off and save it and make a meal out of it. I got chicken, beef, pork. I get all that stuff for free every day from the meat market. He gives me all chicken, lettuce scraps, and whatever he's got for scraps. He cut a little piece off. He can't sell it because it's a small piece, so I'll get it. Alright, then I got the crock pot here. I got it washed, I got it cleaned, and we'll put the stuff in, put some water in there, and let it go. Try to give you some shots here as it goes along here. Alright guys, so the first thing I'll put in there is the beef. And I'll put the carrots. Celery, green peppers, and cauliflower going in. Onions going in. Potatoes going in. Garlic and hot sauce going in. And then the beans going in. What we'll do is we'll cover that with water and we'll let it rip. I got a couple of cans of beer I'm going to throw in there. It's how a real working man cook. Give it some flavor. I used to do this with a clam boil, make it into a beer boil. Yum! And then what we'll do is we'll cover the rest with water. Put some seasoning in there. Gotta get the foam out of it. Put some herb seasoning in there. It's gonna be a slow chooch, Mama, slow chooch. Some pepper. Crock pot cooking. Pink salt. And we'll just cover it with water and let it go. Oh, I can't forget the booty rub. The old booty rub, Mama. Alright, I'll just put some water in there. We'll cover it with water and we'll let it go. Cold water. Filtered water. And just... Yum! There we go. Just turn it on and let it go. Crock pot cooking. 10:44 Sunday a.m. just before lunch. Next level. Alright guys, we're going to check the carrots are done, so this thing's done. See the carrots? They're done. So potatoes are done. Don't overcook it. I mean, that's good right there. We'll shut it off. We'll shut it off right there, Mama. What? 11 o'clock and 4 o'clock, so that's 5 hours. 5 hours, she's done, Mama. We'll let it cool and we'll give it the old chooch, Mama. For a while. No beef stew, Mama. Here we go. Down the hatch. Mmm. Yum! Good eating, Mama. Yum. You want to play? Hey, baby, you want to play? You know I'm going with this plate, guys. Oh, yeah. Next level. Next level.